upon a time in a dense forest, there lived an owl, a parrot, and a monkey. The three were the best of friends, though they each had their own unique abilities. One day, while sitting under a large tree, the owl said, "We should all go on an adventure. Let's explore the forest and see what we can find." The parrot eagerly agreed, his bright feathers gleaming in the sunlight, while the monkey, always energetic, jumped around excitedly. As they wandered deeper into the forest, they came across a river. The owl, being wise, immediately said, "The current looks strong. We should find a safer way across." The parrot, not one to shy away from a challenge, chirped, "I can fly over and find a way to help us cross." He flapped his wings and soared into the sky, but soon returned, saying, "There's a narrow bridge up ahead, but it looks dangerous." The monkey, full of energy, didn't wait for anyone. He leapt across the rocks near the edge of the river, but slipped and fell into the water with a loud splash. The parrot squawked in alarm and the owl sighed. The owl quickly flew over to the monkey and helped him out of the water. As the monkey climbed onto the shore, he looked embarrassed. The owl said kindly, "You're quick, but sometimes rushing ahead without thinking can get you into trouble." The parrot thought of a safer way, but he needed to wait and listen to others. The parrot added, "It's important to think before acting. I was quick to fly, but I also saw the dangers before deciding." The monkey scratched his head. "I guess I acted without thinking about what could happen," he said, looking at both of them. "I'll try to be more thoughtful next time." The owl smiled. "Each of us has our strengths. The key is to combine our strengths and learn from one another." The moral of the story is, wisdom, caution, and collaboration are always better than rushing into things without thinking.